Hi, this is Jared Burnett, and today I'm going to be covering the core products of Pure. Our company is called Pure, People United Reaching Everyone. That's what it stands for. And what we're doing is we're taking the most all-natural, pure products to the world through online membership. So we have our core products right here up front, and there's really 4 of our core, and hence I call them the core 4. And what they're all about is our philosophy for ultimate health. We talk about cleansing the body, balancing the body, and building the body up, because those are the 3 areas that cause the body to get totally out of whack. As you get toxic from the things that we eat, the air that we breathe, the things we drink, poisons, toxins, chemicals, even the food supply, the GMOs. We're not eating the same foods that our grandparents ate. They weren't scientifically, genetically modified. We've got fungicides, larvicides, pesticides on the food. You've got preservatives in packaged food. You have fast food, and we wonder why everybody's getting sick and everybody feels like junk. You've got to cleanse and detox the body. Secondly, you've got to balance the pH and the hormones. Male and female hormones are out of whack. It used to be that as people aged and they approached age 50 or 60, they started to experience issues with their hormones. Now we have people in their 20s and 30s that their hormones are out of whack, men and women, and they feel like junk. So we address that. Also the pH. Sickness, illness, disease cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. But when you put it in an acidic environment, sickness, disease thrives. So we're all about balancing the pH to neutral or slightly alkaline, just like when a baby is born. You can take the water out of the body of a newborn baby, and it's neutral or slightly alkaline. So we balance the pH and the hormones. Third thing, we build up the body with good nutrition. Build it up with all natural, pure nutrition. When you do these 3 things, the body can heal itself. I've seen radical things happen in the last several years, not just here in the United States, but all over the world, working with Pure products. Your life is going to change when you get on these. When you cleanse, balance, and build, you're going to go to a whole nother level with your health. So let's break it down. The Pure Cleanse. We have liquid cleanse and we have cleanse capsules. It's the same product, one's a liquid, one's capsules. The liquid is better. It goes to work faster, deeper cleansing. Some people don't like the taste, so we have the capsules. What this product is going to do, it's going to focus on what's called the 7 channels of elimination in the body. God created your body to have all these channels to eliminate the things that go into your body. Like the lungs, the liver, the kidneys, all these different things. So what it does, you take it, you just squeeze the top, drop a dropper full and a little bit of water, juice, stir it up and drink it before you go to bed. Take it at nighttime, because the liver relaxes at nighttime and will release as it's flushing out those toxins. Most Americans are carrying around 10 to 20 pounds of undigested waste in all the feet of the 28, 29 feet of digestive tract. Most people are carrying around a lot of undigested waste. And it messes with your brain, gives you brain fog, it messes with your mind, mood, and emotions. It affects how you feel. Everything that you eat nutritionally has to go through the gut to be absorbed. And so cleansing and detoxing is huge. A lot of people don't eliminate waste properly. They're constipated. And so they're constantly dealing with health issues because of constipation. They're not eliminating waste. Some people can't lose weight effectively. Even if they're burning a lot of fat by exercise and activity, you've got to eliminate it. And so the cleanse, it's not harsh. You're not going to be tied to the bathroom. Take it at nighttime. And I tell people when you get started, do 2 to 3 droppers full. And the capsules, 2 to 3 capsules if you're a capsule person. Take it at night before you go to bed. Goyen. What is Goyen? Goyen is something that is truly exclusive to this company. You can't get anything like it anywhere else. It's 20 herbs and superfruits that are going to balance the pH and the hormones of your body, male and female. But you know what? That's not what it was designed to do. It's a balancing blend from Asia. So you have all these fruits and herbs that come from the Orient that go into this product. And we give it to kids. My wife and I, you know, our son, our youngest son, he's 10 years old now. He's been taking this since he was 2 years old because it's a general wellness drink. You're going to get a full serving of fruits and vegetables every time you consume just a little 2-ounce shot glass of this. So my kids, they get this every day before they go to school. I don't know what's going to happen when your body comes back into balance, but I've seen radical things happen with mind, mood, and emotions. You know, we have the #1 selling pharmaceutical in the United States is an antidepressant. It's crazy. So Goyen, a lot of times people would rather take something all natural than a pharmaceutical. And again, we don't make any medical claims, but we've seen radical things happen when people start to balance their body with 2 ounces of Goyen every day. The Daily Build. The Daily Build is our vitamin. It is a whole food vitamin. What does that mean? It's made with organic components, all plant-based. There's things that grow out of the ground, so your body recognizes it as food. We have professional athletes that search the world for the best vitamin they can get, and they come to our company because of this product right here. The liquid, just 1 ounce of this every morning with food. It's very strong. Take it with food, with your breakfast preferably. I've seen guys that get their blood drawn that are pro athletes, and they've thrown away their expensive vitamins that they order from, you know, custom made from doctors because they're getting more absorption. Their vitamin and mineral levels are off the charts from being on our Daily Build. Phenomenal product. If you don't like the taste of the liquid, we have capsules for you. Our energy. Energy, this product right here changed my life. It's made me millions of dollars because everyone that tries this product, they have to have more. Let me tell you what this is not. This is not a Red Bull or a 5-hour energy. This is not like coffee or soda pop. This is over 40 ingredients and different blends. In fact, we have a vitality blend of vitamins and minerals, an adrenal health blend that rebuilds the adrenal glands. A lot of people's adrenal glands are burned out. We have the alkalinizing blend with wheatgrass, spirulina, kelp. You know, all these things in there, I'm saying, you're probably saying, well, it probably doesn't taste very good. There's no sugar. We sweeten it with stevia. 6 to 8 hours of mental focus and alertness. It wakes up the brain. We have 5 different flavors. You will find a flavor that works for you. Let me tell you how to take it. Very important, you take this on an empty stomach. If you take it with food or right after a meal, you're not going to get the effects. Empty stomach. So first thing in the morning, I tell people before you brush your teeth, go straight to the kitchen, mix this up, 6 to 8 ounces of water, and get it down quick on an empty stomach. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before you eat your breakfast and let this get into the bloodstream. It's going to give you 6 to 8 hours of mental focus, alertness, no jittery, no crash and burn. It's life-changing. I used to drink a half pot of coffee every morning to get going. Now I don't even drink coffee in the morning. I wake up and drink my Pure Energy. So guys, that's our core 4 with Pure. If you get started on those, I've had people with all different types of health issues, chronic diseases, and it doesn't matter. When they come to me, they say, what do I start on it? I've got this, I've got that, or I've got this health issue. I say, cleanse, balance, build, and give the brain energy, and watch what happens. It's going to change your life. You're going to feel better than you've ever felt before. I challenge you to just start with this simple program and watch what happens.